Hi everybody, it's Connie with simplestamping.com back with another speedy delivery for you today. We've got a wedding or anniversary card and it's going to be created with the Dandelion Wishes stamp set. My card base is Balmy Blue, 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4 inch. And I'm also going to use gray granite, and that is 1.5 by 4 1/4. I've got two pieces of Whisper White, 1 1/4 by 4 1/4 and 2.5 by 3. We got a little piece of gray granite ribbon, and then we're going to take one of our pearlized doilies, and I'm going to have you cut that in half. I'm going to start with the gray granite ink pad, and we're going to come in with the trio of dandelions. Let's stamp that off on the left-hand side of the card base. And then there's that single dandelion. We're going to put that one on the inside. And now the sentiment, that's going to go right there on that Whisper White cardstock, and we can punch that out using the pretty label punch. We're going to adhere the two strips together, and then here on the back we're going to add snail, and then I'm going to adhere that doily right there, and you can see it's going to go right on the front of our card. Some dimensionals on the back of my sentiment. We're going to add that to the left-hand side and press that ribbon knot onto a glue dot, and look at that, it polishes off the card so nicely. Guys, this is going to make a great wedding or anniversary card. Very simple, very speedy. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked what you saw today, do me a favor, subscribe to my channel and get more inspiration, and be sure to check out simplysimplestamping.com to order any of the supplies you need.